Hey, I'm Deanne with WTI, and do you get the winter blues sometimes? Well, I have something that's perfect for you. It's called the HappyLight. What I love about this is it is very slim, extremely portable, and you can hang it or you can use the stand that comes with it. This HappyLight has a built-in timer that you can set up to 1 hour in 15-minute increments. You have 3 different brightnesses on here. And then here's your brightness control. 1, 2, 3. When using your HappyLight, you should place it on an angle that's not directly in front of you, but off to the side and facing your eyes. I am very excited to continue using this HappyLight this winter, and that's my point of view.